Now we're heading to Chicken Rock. So this is where it gets interesting. It's been about, I don't know, 6 or 7 years since I've done this trail. So now that I have a lot more experience, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Man, when I first did it, talk about butt puckering and white knuckling, it was crazy. There's about 4 vehicles ahead of us right now. And you gotta watch to make sure that no one's coming up while you're trying to go down, and vice versa. Because if there is, you're stuck and someone's gonna have to turn around, back up, and there's no room for, there's no room to do anything. So once you commit, you're committed. Wow. Last time I came through here, this was all overgrown. Back up. Back up. I can't have you laying on me. Go lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Henry. There you go. Okay, look at this. We're going through this full of trees and mud. This is really cool. Watch the branch. Get back up. That's a trip. That's a weird feeling, huh? As you go through that, your Jeep slides a little bit. Wow.
Kevin, can you guys stay there? I want to go up here and video guys you coming down, okay? I'll let you know when I'm ready. It's going to be a few minutes.
All right. Okay, we're going down the Chicken Rock Trail, and it looks like, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like they widened the trail. They actually fixed it. Also, the bridge used to be an old rickety wooden bridge, so that got fixed as well. This is way better. Yeah, this is way better. Oh yeah. Put that rock there. Watch that rock. You definitely got to pay attention on this trail. So that was the hard part of it. The rest of it's pretty easy. Coming down this, just don't go too fast. Oh yeah, they totally widened this thing. I'd say along some parts of the trail, along the wall, I think have been widened, but not along the cliff. Has not been.
See that waterfall into this canyon? I'm pretty sure I actually drove my Jeep up that one. I'm like confident I've been up that. It looks very familiar.
What waterfall? Right here, you mean?
To the right? Ahead of you?
I don't believe you. You got to do it again so I could see. You mean you hiked up there or you drove up that?
Drove.
To what? How far up? Just to that?
All the way to the top of the trail.
Nah, you're full of shit. I don't believe you.
It seems like now that at the point you wheel with like Tony and them, you start believing some of the shit Jeeps can do.
Yeah, that was an eye-opener, let me tell you.
Is that cabin public use or is it private?
Those are public use. If the flag is up there, then someone's occupying it.
Okay, because I think the one at the end public too, isn't it?
I think they're all public, from what I understand. Man, I made Chicken Rock. That was crazy. Let me tell you, man. That was crazy. I can't even believe I did it. Where the heck is it? I can't even see it. Whew! I'm so glad I made it through there, let me tell you. I was scared for my life. You can't even see the trail. It's just a line. You can barely see it. So now we're coming up to these cabins. There's 3 cabins. They're all public use. The catch is once you get here, you have to put the flag up and then you could use it. If the flag's not up, then anyone can go in it.